So let's start the class now.
Okay, teacher.
Assalamu alaikum, sixth class. How are you all? I hope you are listening me in the good state of health and you are doing well in your homes. So, in today's lesson, we will continue the topic output devices, right? Yesterday, we talked about the output devices and the one device which we have read was monitor. Now we will go for the printer and the speaker. So what are the output devices? I will repeat it so you people can recall it. So output devices basically are that part of computers, electronic devices which are used to display or show output, information and result to you people. Okay. So here are some examples of output devices, which is printer, monitor, speaker, plotter. So in this way, we can define our output devices. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about the printer. Okay. So what
टीचर
is
आपने
the
ऊपर क्लास
printer?
9 रखा है.
Okay, now we are going to talk about the printer. So printer is an output device which always gives the result on the paper, means output on the paper. For example, there is a picture in your computer and you want to print it on the page. You want to take its hard copy. So how can you take it? First of all, you have to you have to install or you attach the printer with your computer using a cable. Then you will pass a command to print that specific page and then it will be on the page from the printer. So printer is an output device which gives the output on paper, and the output which is on the paper is called the hard copy. In yesterday's class, we talked about the soft copy. So what is the soft copy? Who will tell me?
क्लास 9 है.
Yes, soft copy. What is a soft copy?
ये क्लास है.
The output which is showing on the monitor, means in the computer system, you can say it is a hard copy. And when this output will be on the paper, means a white paper, you can say it in a hard copy. So here are some types of the printers we have to discuss in today's class. First of all, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. These are the most common types of the printer we people use in our common working. So first of all, dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer, it is a most common printer and it is less expensive. You can see it in all the organizations, schools, class, or you can use it in your home as well. Okay, so how it works? Dot matrix shows a name that it will be worked with the dots. So here is an example. First of all, it will put a shadow dots on the paper. Then it will join these dots to print any number or any letter. For example, if I want to print 0, so it will join these dots. Then 1 and then 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way, it will join the dots to print any numbers and 7, right? Clear? Sixth class, I want your response. Is it clear to your mind? Okay, now we will go for the inkjet printer. How the inkjet printer works? First of all, a dot or you can say a spot of ink is dropped to the paper through a ink pin. From the pin, ink is coming outside and it is putting on the paper. And when the ink separate, it will show you letters or the numbers you want to take on this page, right? Okay, now I will go for the laser printer. Laser printer always works with the rays and waves, means light through the laser
टीचर
light.
पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
70. On the laser light, you can take a view of that specific image or that specific information, and it will go for it by using the laser light. First of all, the laser light will put a shadow on that page, and the printer will print it using the ink. So I am going to show you a video now about how a printer works. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen to show you people that how our printer works, right? Here you can see, here is a desktop system which is attached to the printer, and when it is pressing the command, the printer is letting the page out. Okay. So now we will talk about the printers. Here is the inkjet printer, laser printer, and these are the most common printer we use in nowadays. And this is the dot matrix and the thermal printer. These are the less common printer. Okay. So first of all, we will talk about the inkjet printer. This is how a inkjet printer looks like. This is the tray where we put the paper on it. Okay. Here we put the paper, and this is the most common printer which we use in home. So in this way, a paper is coming out from the inkjet printer, and it works on the tiny dots, right? In this way. In this way. This is inkjet printer putting the ink on the dots, and they will merge it. So how this is basically from where the ink comes. This is the ink which is coming to that, and this is the nozzle, mean pin, and this is the heating element which is used to preheat the ink, and then it will come to nozzle. In this way, like you can see, heater, and the ink is coming to the nozzle, and then it dropped on the page. And one by one, the drop will be putting on the page and showing and displaying an image on the paper. Okay. Okay. In this way, an inkjet printer works. There are two cartridges, means the ink. And it is the cartridge where the ink put in. Means यहाँ पे ना filters होते हैं
टीचर बच्चों से कहते हैं अपने माइक ऑफ कर दें.
Okay. Okay, here is the laser printer you can see. Laser printers come in different sizes. Okay. And this is the electric, this comes with the electric charge and the rotating drum. This is the rotating drum which is pressed and rolled on the paper. And this will be draw the image, and the image is going to be printed on the page by the drum itself. In this way, the shadow first of all will take on this drum through the laser lights. Here you can see with the laser light, the image is printed on the drum first, then it will go for the page. Okay, in this way, the page will become through the drum, and the image will be print on it. So in this way, we can say that how a printer works. Okay. Okay. I think now the printer idea has been clear to you people that how a printer works. Now we will go for the speakers, that how a speaker works. Okay. First of all, we talk about it, then I will show you a video that how it works. So speaker basically is an output device which allows a user to hear sounds, music, audio output from the computer. Means you can listen music or you can listen your poem. For example, I am hearing your voice through my speakers. I have put speakers beside my system and I am using them to hear you people. Okay, so it allows us to hear sounds. So some computer system have internal speakers and then they have external speakers. Small internal speakers are fixed inside the computer and they allows us to hear the sound. And if we want to take or hear the sounds on a high pitch, on a high volume, we have to use the external speakers. Okay, so in this way how a speaker works. Now I'm going to show you a video about the speakers. We will see that how a speaker works. Okay, here you can see. This is the speaker you can see on the screen. And the boy is speaking in the mic which is attached to that system. And the sound is coming to them with the sound wave. As you can see, it is coming from the mic. And then it will put inside to the speakers. Now we will see the internal working principle of the speaker. Here you can see it is a driver which allows a computer to communicate with the speaker. And here the sound will come through a cable. Yes, in alternative current. And then it will put it on the coil like this. Okay. And then there will be a magnet, this one, which attracts this sound and it will save the sound wave which is coming from the microphone. You will see here. So in this way, and then the sound comes from the speakers, right? Everybody get it how it works for marking the questions? Okay, here is a book. Now take the lead pencil with you to writing all
page
the
number.
questions. Okay, first of all, you have to write here, define a printer. And the answer will be, printer is an output device. It gives output on the paper. The printer output is called the hard copy. Okay, and then here you have to write the question types, how many types of printer. I am underlining the answer. The most common types of printers are laser, inkjet and dot matrix printer. Okay. Then you will go for the define dot matrix printer. And the answer will be, dot matrix printer prints by arranging dots on a paper. Okay, and the quality is not very good. till there. And then you will go for the inkjet printer, define inkjet printer. And the answer will be an inkjet printer. An inkjet printer has a print head that sprays tiny ink drops on a paper. And these printers are popular for home usage. And now you will go for the laser printer. The laser printer is especially suited for printing large number of pages because it is a quick and it doesn't produce any noise while printing on the pages, and it always used when you have to print a large number of pages, and you can use it in the big organization or colleges like this. Okay. Okay, then you will have to write the question, define speakers. So speaker are output devices and they allow us to use to hear different sounds till here. Okay, in this way we have the definition 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 definitions are included in today's lesson. Show me the thumbs up if you have done it. Good. Okay, I'm going to close
Teacher,
it.
how many types of printer का answer ये the most common types of printer are laser, inkjet and dot matrix printer.
Yes. Okay, everybody have done it. I am going to stop sharing my screen. Okay. Okay, now you have to tell me about the definition of the output devices, Minahil.
Once the data is processed, it can be displayed in different ways. Devices that show generate output are called output devices.
Very good. Okay, now you have to tell me the definition of monitor.
Monitor is an output device. It displays information on the screen. It is the main device to see result output.
Very good. Very good. Clap. Okay, class, in this way, our today's lesson has been completed now, and you can ask me any question if you have. Have you any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now it's time to say goodbye to you people. Allah Hafiz, everyone.